Today we will learn how to calculate profit margin. Here I will show you the formula to calculate profit margin and how to calculate it. Okay, so we have a practical question here which is taken from Cambridge IGCSE accounting first paper. So here let us look at the question. Ikwa is a trader who sells household furnishings. Okay, she has provided the following information. So here at 30 April 2022, she has inventory, trade receivables, bank overdraft and trade payables. For the year to 30 April 2022, she has some more information. What is this? Revenue is there, purchases and expenses. Okay, then we have two more adjustments. What is this? All sales and purchases are on credit. Okay, so there is no cash sales, cash purchase. Okay, then here inventory at 1st May 2021 was valued at $12,800. So here you see this information for 30 April 2022, and here we have inventory at 1st May 2021. That means accounting year for this business for Ikwa started at 1st May 2021 and has ended at 30 April 2022. So this is our accounting period, don't forget. Okay, then here profit margin. So what is the formula to calculate profit margin? We know profit margin equal to, so here we will write profit for the year divided by sales revenue, right, times 100. So here in this question we don't have profit for the year. Now we have to calculate here. So how to calculate profit for the year? First of all, we need to calculate our gross profit. Then from the gross profit, if we subtract expenses and if we add incomes with it, then we will have here gross profit. As we have no incomes, just from the gross profit we have to subtract expenses, which is $19,820. Okay, so how to calculate gross profit? We know gross profit equal to sales revenue minus cost of sales. Okay, so here we have no cost of sales, so we need to calculate cost of sales as well. Okay, so let us write here cost of sales equal to opening inventory plus purchases minus closing inventory. Okay, so here we have opening inventory which is $12,800. so we will write here $12,800. we have purchases here $72,250. so we will write here $72,250. we will subtract closing inventory which is $14,650. Okay, so let us minus this amount, 14,650. Okay, so if we do all these calculations, means if we add this two and from the addition if we subtract, we get here $70,400. Okay, so here now gross profit equal to gross profit GP, gross profit equal to, so here revenue minus cost of sales. Okay, so here revenue is $112,300 minus cost of sales we calculated $70,400. Okay, so if we subtract we get here $41,900. Okay, so this is our gross profit we calculated. Okay, now we will write here, what we will write? We will write here, so we know profit for the year equal to gross profit minus expenses, right? So here we calculated gross profit which is $41,900. we will subtract expenses, it is $19,000 $820. Okay, our sales revenue is here. How much it is? $112,300. We will multiply this calculation by 100. Okay, so first of all, let us subtract. So here 41,900 minus 19,820 equal to $22,080. Okay, so we will multiply by 100. So now if we divide this amount by this, then if we multiply the answer by 100, we get here 19.66%. Okay, so this is profit margin for ICWA for the year ended 30 April 2022.